Hi guys, Moz here from Moz6510 Models. We're a channel dedicated to help you become a better scale modeler. Reviewing these very cool caricature or cartoony style models. Very similar to the Hasegawa Eggplane series models. They're designed for a very, like a teenager or young, you know, around the 12 to 15-year-old range. They are designed so that, like, for a child who aren't quite ready to do a starter kit, but he's well above the age of doing quick builds and Lego sort of kit sort of thing, okay? So the box art looks really cool. As you can see, it's Caricature, B-17G, Flying Fortress, Bomber, code is Mplane 001. On the side, a bit of history about the B-17G Flying Fortress Bomber. Again, artwork on the side, the same as on the box front. It has a colour call out on the side, so you can have olive drab, steel, and all those colours, and then they have the stickers to go on the where they put the stickers to. On the back, it does have the instructions: fuselage assembly, bomb assembly, attaching the fuselage to wings, main wing assembly, cockpit assembly, belly equipment assembly, it says there. And then it has a call out on what the pieces you get inside the box. Side opening box, let's have a look what you get inside. So this is what you get inside the box. You get a sticker sheet with all the stickers that you need. It's quite nice. It's even got the markings there for the bombs dropped on the side. You know, their missions, basically. How many missions this plane's flown on. Roundels for the US Air Force. The sprue, you have quite tiny ones, actually, compared to some of the kits that we've been doing in the series. These are like tiny propellers, gearing there underneath. I think these are for the cannons and the machine guns on the side. Then you've got the main fuselage and wing all built together. You can see there it was all designed in 2014, and all the kit has got the model numbers on them. Yeah, there's one side and there's the other side of the fuselage, so they go together, and the locating pins are quite big. They go together nicely. You got the tops of the wings there. You have the bombs there to go underneath. You have the cockpit there on top, which basically the glass fits over underneath. But yeah, but the things are, the canopy doesn't come bagged. It comes in like this plastic wrapped stuff. So somewhere here it should overlap. There it is. There's the overlap. So you can see all the glass there. It's very clear glass. It's fantastic, to be fair. Look at the bubble there. Brilliant. Absolutely fantastic. And that just gets wrapped in its protective plastic, just to protect the glass from getting scratched. It's a nice touch, actually, for Meng kids. And that's basically what you get inside the box. And so there you go. That was a review of the Meng Kids B-17G Flying Fortress Bomber. If you liked the video, click like. If you haven't subscribed yet, please subscribe and click that bell so that you'll be notified of any new videos.